so the screen is visible to you. For extracting the DNA, what do we need? We will be extracting, so I am taking a banana sample plus we will be using the salt, NaCl. What's the formula? NaCl, salt. This is the dishwasher. I have taken a good amount of dishwasher because the concentration is quite less, but you can use other dishwasher like Vim. I forgot to buy it from the market because Vim was finished at my home, but this is also dishwasher. Why I'm telling Vim and this, I will tell you. Now, we will be taking water. I am taking complete, kind of very clean water. This water is not very hot, it is warm because hot water can damage the cell content and everything, but we will be using warm water. And guys, we will be using, there are few things. We need to mash this banana. One, we can use a blender. Second, we can use a poly bag, and into the poly bag we can mash it with the hand. Third, I have this pestle mortar. This is pestle mortar. I'm using this. And we will be needing alcohol, guys. In the end, we will be putting alcohol and DNA will be separated out. We can use simple ethanol. We can use hand rubbing alcohol. Plus, we can use vodka. I don't know whether you people have heard or not, but there is a type of alcohol. We call it as vodka. That's available. We can also use it. I have ethanol plus hand rubbing alcohol available at my home right now. So hand rubbing alcohol I'm going to use. I will show you the result. So let's start the practical. First of all, before starting the practical, I'm going to peel the banana. I don't think I need the whole banana, so I will be using half the banana. That will be sufficient. Till the time I need to do one thing. If you can see in the glass, I'm taking a glass. In the glass, we will be adding this soap. Actually, I'm gonna use this whole soap because the soap is not extremely concentrated. Okay, otherwise you can use half the soap. This is a dishwasher, by the way. So point is, into this liquid that we are using, we have enzymes. Literally, we have so many stains in the kitchen. So the design, the composition of this liquid is like that way, that it has that enzyme. Got it? Into this, we will be adding salt. I don't think we need to use a lot of salt, but I'm gonna use a lot of salt because I need to do it. Actually, in practical, we use three to four scoop of salt. But this is a good amount of salt that we are using. Look at the reaction. How salt is reacting with the soap. Look. Now we will be adding water to it. Okay. This is the warm water. Let's add water. Let them react. Now there is water, NaCl, and the liquid dishwash for washing the dishes. Now what we will do, we will add this banana to this solution. Okay. So let's add it up. Let me show you. Let it react. Till the time I'll share my screen and teach you guys. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to filter this through a muslin cloth. You can use a strainer also. I'm using this cloth to strain. I need to throw this water because I need this container. Let me strain it nicely now. Okay. So guys, you can try this practical at home also. The reaction must have occurred. We can put it. Okay, let's strain it up. By the way, guys, I think we are done. So guys, this is the thing that I've got, and I'm going to set camera on different angle now. Give me just 30 seconds. I need to set camera on the other angle because I'm gonna put alcohol over to it. Okay.
Do you see this layer? This whole layer? That's the DNA. Right? It is all separated. This all white thingy in the blue layer, which is actually alcohol. The solution is alcohol and the white thing is all DNA. Beautiful, right? Thank you.